Hello, friend. Hello, friend. That's lame. Maybe I should give you a name. This actually happened. I'm talking to an imaginary person.
Welcome back to the Theta Report here on 369 Crypto. I'm Andre, and I'm just kind of hanging out, thinking about Theta, checking my Theta Edge node over here at 11.377 Tfuel earned from just sharing bandwidth over here. This is the Edge Catcher node. Also have the Edge Player here. You can stream off of this and watch other people's streams, as well as on theta.tv. But payouts for the Edge node come at the end of the month, so it's the 24th now, so about 7 more days. So this isn't bad so far. Currently I'm waiting for no jobs available. Don't worry, jobs will be started automatically as they become available. Right, so that's ready to go. So that's earning free Tfuel just by sharing bandwidth, not like mining on your computer. It's just sharing bandwidth that you're not using to other people that have the Theta Edge node. But before I get too far ahead, this is my channel over here, 369 Crypto. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and notification bell to get notifications for new videos. As you can see over here, we have the home screen, but you can check out the playlists. Theta Report over here. The Theta Report, Theta Token Mainnet 2.0 has all the playlists that I've put up for, or is the playlist for the videos that I've put up for Theta, as well as Theta.tv and earning Tfuel and what have you. Today, I want to go over a couple of things that's been happening with Theta. This is the homepage for Theta. It's thetatoken.org. This is where you download, you can get your wallet, either mobile or on desktop over here. So that's at the homepage for Theta Token. That's thetatoken.org. Guardian node setup, information, lots going on. Before I get too far ahead of myself, I want to check out this is Nomics. This is nomics.com, kind of like tokenomics, but Nomics, Nomics.com. If you just type in Theta in here, you get the Theta token chart, currently at 56 cents, up 22% for the day. Hey, you guys out there, I know I haven't been talking to you lately, but I've been getting to the comments. We'll get to the comments in a second, but thanks for watching, and hit the like button if you want to. If you work hard and work late hours like I do, and then do this on the side, you don't really want to look at this screen that's so bright. Hit the like button if you want me to switch over to night mode, get a little bit more comfortable in here. Come on, you know what I'm talking about. A lot of you. Cool, here we go, sweet. Thank you very much. This is the chart for Theta. We'll go to the all-time chart. Theta mainnet launched about around January, I believe. I have to look at the actual when the mainnet launched, but this is the all-time chart from inception of it's like January 15th of 2018. And then we go to the 1 month chart for Theta at 56 cents right now. So year to date, looking good. Convert Theta to USD, 1 US, 56 cents. This is a great website for comparing market capitalization, other kind of tokenomics, obviously, for it's nomics.com. And you can also they have a paid service too, where you can get price predictions. We don't do a lot of price predictions here because we don't do financial advice over here. Don't you know that this is just me looking around. If you want, do what you want with your own crypto and your own money, but over here it's just we're talking about information. But currently at 56 cents, up 22%. Volume's up. They grade this website grades the different cryptocurrencies, so that's kind of cool. And so yeah, but yeah, so thetatoken.org, and that's nomics, and you can type in Theta over there. One thing that I did find that was pretty cool is guardianmonitor.io, and this website is kind of an aggregator, let's say, of all of the guardian nodes that are out there. And then obviously we got chat and all this other things, but a lot of information over here. So we go down here, stake withdrawals, validator nodes. These are the big ones. I think you have to have at least 1 million Theta tokens to start one. Binance is the biggest holder, has 93 million Theta currently staked. Then Theta Labs, Google, Samsung, Blockchain, and Gumi are the other validator addresses and node holders. And then this one was recent, came in, doesn't have a name yet, 6.681 million Theta. Who could that be? Who wants bandwidth and new internet protocol? Fun fact, did you know, side note, you can Google this yourself and find out, but a lot of the Ethereum developers are switching over to Theta because it's the solidity, it's the same language, so it's easy to develop over there, doing smart contracts on Theta. Theta said, or Theta chat, check it out, link in the description for the Theta Telegram chat. But you can think that if it's super fast transactions, and transaction fees are very, very small, yeah, maybe something's happening. Who knows? This is GPooL.io. They have these Guardian nodes here, and these are the other Guardian nodes, and there's quite a list of people that have multiples, but the validator nodes are the big ones. So speaking of GPooL, I'm logged in over in this account here, and currently I have, if you have 10,000 or more, keep your use the delegate. Okay. I go to the dashboard, it'll show me, got some locks going on here already. And if you flip this one over, it shows you how much each one is. So 1100 and 271. These just roll over unless you toggle to withdraw. And then at the end of the cycle, which this 4 hours, if I toggle this withdraw, then this amount will be transferred to my wallet, and then you'll be done staking on that particular stake. Your stake will be ended. And for this one, it's set on relock, but if I decided to withdraw this amount, I could click this, and then in 2 days, this amount would be sent to my wallet. I believe it's GMT, midnight GMT, so 1 o'clock a.m. UTC, 4 p.m. Eastern time. Check the math on that, I'm not sure, but it's when you go to stake, you'll find out. What I'm going to do today is, first of all, I want to capture a decent price, and go over here and refresh this screen real quick. You might want to see if there's going to be a daily chart, a little bit of a dip, and I want to swap some Tron for Theta, and I want to show you how to do that with Coinswitch, and I want to get that transaction going, and then I'll cover some questions that came up in the comment section that I wanted to address personally, just some information that I found out and that we learned together. So first of which, if you're not familiar with Coinswitch, this is coinswitch.co. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. And in this case, it's set up, you can pick your coin over here that you want to send and see what to swap. And then over on this side, you can choose, what I did was THETA, Theta token. They currently don't have Tfuel available on Coinswitch. The reason why I use Coinswitch, so I'm getting a little more, it was 68 earlier, so a little bit of a dip. I'm going to buy the dip. But I'm not going to use ETH. I'm going to use Tron because it's faster, so we can get it done during this video. So I don't have to pause it and wait for Ethereum transactions. And Ethereum transactions right now are like $8 during the peak. I don't know, it's because it's DeFi protocol or Ethereum testnet crashed, and so they're going to probably be a while before we have ETH 2.0. Tron's super fast, Theta's super fast. So I'm going to do those on this video. So I'm going to toggle this over and type in TRX for Tron. And I want to swap, let's see if I got this wallet open. Yes. So I currently have 2,265. Okay, so you can't do 0.1 Tron. So let's do a fund number 2222 Tron. And that will currently give me, come on. I need 7 Theta, sweet. And then click this button here, and that what happens is, and I was trying to say, sorry, go back a little bit. The reason why I use Coinswitch instead of going directly to, say, Binance or wherever, although Theta will soon be available on it's that big one, Coinbase. Totally forgot about it. I use Coinbase all the time. I have the app, check it out. So once I get listed on Coinbase, there's going to be a Coinbase pump. So we'll see. Not financial advice, of course. This is what I'm doing with my crypto. I've got 2,200 Tron and 22 Tron swapping for 97 Theta. Tron is available on Binance in Europe or worldwide, except for US. Or not Tron, but Theta, sorry. Theta is available on Binance worldwide, but not Binance US. Who knows? But once I get listed on Coinbase, I'm sure everybody else is going to monkey see, monkey do, and try to keep up with that. So Binance has 93 million Theta. It's a lot. Let's check out what pops up next is an offers. So you can do with Binance and get this amount. Again, login is not required. You can log in and shop for a little bit quicker transactions if you'd like. Check out Coinswitch. This is just what I do because it's quick, and Tron and Theta is a good transaction for me. Tron's up and Theta's got a little bit of a dip, so this is what I'm doing. I'm going 97,888, like those numbers. Let's do it with BitSwap. This goes to, you can either scan your address or type it in. I've got one saved, so, and then agree here, and then click next. And then what happens here is I will send my Tron to this address, and you can, if you have mobile, then you can use the QR, but I have this one on desktop. So send to this address. We're doing 2222 Tron send, and that one is out into the Tron universe, and this will happen. Then they'll receive the Tron, and then they're basically doing a proxy trade for you on Coinswitch. So they're taking your Tron and sending it as a transaction to BitSwap in this example, or Binance, or whatever one has the better rates that you choose, and they're doing a proxy trade for you, and then they're going to send it to your wallet. So that will hit my mobile wallet, which I have saved for this account, and as soon as that transaction goes through, it'll be all hunky-dory, and we'll check it out. But while we're waiting, where were we? GPooL. So once I get that transaction gone through, we'll go to and stake one more time on GPooL. We can see the transaction history here of payouts of Tfuel. So not bad, 2.6275 a day. I'm going to add to that. In comparison up here, we got the GPooL daily rewards based on 10,000 Theta is 11.52 Tfuel per day for the GPooL staking. And then Binance, as comparison, it said that they have 93 million tokens, and there you know they're staking them. And then you can stake on Binance as well. That's 2.41. So 11.52 for GPooL, 2.41 for Binance. Plus you can't be on them in the US. Well, you can use a what do they call it? VPN. Get in the back door. You know what I mean? know somebody, pretend you're like you're somebody else, mask it up a little bit in a good way. Not financial advice, do what you want, but I just use Coinswitch and it's fast. A little bit, there's a fee, they take a little bit, but see right now we got waiting verification, so the Tron hit there, all right, and waiting for the exchange. So I wanted to cover real quick some viewer comments. So let's go down to scan, and we'll get back to you. Get back to you, Mark. Apostolos Gonidas, I'm sorry if I butchered your name. I'm trying. Wondering about the Tfuel earned on Theta.tv, and from my understanding, if we go over to Theta.tv, this Despide tu Jefe channel. It's Johnny's channel. He's currently offline. Cyber Grinder just went live, so I'm gonna have to mute this. Hang on. So Cyber Grinder just went live. So what happens is when you watch streams, you earn Tfuel by sharing your bandwidth, and you can see it over here, a little graph. And as this catches up, and currently there's only 2 people watching, so between all that and there's chat giveaway you can do over here. Yeah, so the question was, the Tfuel that you earn on these streams, how does it get deposited? I think it just stays in your account on Theta.tv, and like I send donations back and forth, but mine got zeroed out for some reason, and I'm not sure why. But as you watch the different streams here, then I'm gonna pause this, sorry. As you watch the different streams, you will earn Tfuel, but you can also, you can't really take it off the platform. So it's kind of like a bonus for watching. You earn these coins too. You can use them to go up and down with buffers and things like that and tip out. But I think it all stays on the site. You can't withdraw it. And I'm not sure, I had like 70 over here. Now they're gone, but I also cleared out a bunch of stuff on my computer. So that's why I have my mobile wallet for Theta, and I don't have this one connected to mobile wallet. So, so to answer your question, sorry, back over here. To answer your question, I'm pretty sure it doesn't come off the platform. I think it's just like promo, but you can use it as in their store. You know, once, I think it was $0.015, but you can use it as credit in their store to get swag and t-shirts and stuff like that. So that's what I got there. And this Peblinks 63 had a question earlier today, and thanks for asking, because I had to clarify a couple of things I missed myself. So they have 10,000 Theta and they want to delegate to a validator, but I think they meant Guardian node. Can you have 2 wallets access the delegated wallet on iOS mobile and then also have it on desktop? So my reply earlier is I'm on the GPooL with iOS. My iOS is connected to my GPooL account. So the wallets, as far as I know, are very similar to MetaMask, the Theta wallets. So you can, I think you can run a desktop and a mobile at the same time. Now, as far as Guardian node access, that I would, my recommendation, I would think that you want to have it on a laptop or a PC that it's, or something with an internet connection, preferably hardwired, Ethernet cord, no Wi-Fi, don't try to give away too much, kids. Don't get hacked. Just don't give up your stuff. Hardwire your computer if you run a Guardian node, and if you're running any kind of crypto through your computer, just don't want to have the cord. Look, I don't want to see the cord. Well, okay, if you want to see your crypto ever again, don't share your Wi-Fi, or don't share your keys or your crypto, and don't give everybody access to your network. So just a little FYI. PSA over. Be careful out there. You can point your tokens, your Theta tokens, through GPooL at their Guardian node based on the day that you enter, and you still own your coins. So I also looked it up on the GPooL site, and from them you delegate your Theta to GPooL Guardian node, either copy or QR the summary, and then you depositing your stake through your wallet is not sending them. They're getting time locked. Delegating is different than sending to deposit. Basically, you're pointing them and flagging them over to GPooL, and then the link for that info. So I wanted to cover that. That's pretty cool. I don't think your IP address. This was one about exposure, and again about security. Read that on the Theta Guardian node. This is from Thierry Pamphile. I read that the Theta node requires the IP address of the computer to be exposed. Is that true? Not sure about the exposure, but the IP only exposed to other streamers. I would suggest asking that one in the Telegram group for Theta. We've got a link in the description for that. One other one about Theta, watching live streams. Thanks for all the subscribers, by the way. Appreciate it. I want to get out more content. I've got to get more on the ball with this. It's like between work and everything else, and 19 and masking up, and August was kind of weird for me, so I'm getting back in it. This is from James. Anyone have any idea what the difference is to running an edge node via versus Guardian node based on besides 10,000 Theta required? Reply to that, the edge node acts as a cache for relaying bandwidth and streaming as a player. The Guardian node holds the Theta tokens as a validator of the network when those are staked, and the payments are in Tfuel. Guardian node pays consistently when the device is connected, while the edge node only pays when there are active jobs. For example, I go back to my edge node. I'm currently waiting for a job, so I'm not earning any Tfuel until somebody picks up my bandwidth share. So another streamer or another edge node player or that sort of thing. So you don't hold you're not holding any of your Theta tokens here. It's just on your it's on your browser, and it uses the extra bandwidth when somebody picks up your stream. You could also stream here, you can learn more, and then also watch other streamers on Theta Edge node, which there are. I'm trying to get a stream key. Stream key, please. Hashtag stream key, please. I'd like to start streaming on theta.tv, 369 crypto. Shameless plug. Thank you. Right, I think it's a similar situation. He's asking about the delegating, how the payouts. 7-day cycle for the GPooL rewards. And if you look at my transaction history here, it's depending on, I've got 3 running, so as it comes through, it's every couple of days, but I'm going to get another one going now, and I'm not sure what day of the week is, but it shows depending on what day of the week, because I'm pretty sure that what they're doing is they have Guardian nodes based on days of the week. So if there's only 2.24 in this one right now, so then add different ones, but it's still kind of early in the day. So I'm going to check on my transaction on Coinswitch. Transfer to your wallet, sweet. And the next thing we'll do is I'm going to start a new stake on GPooL. Let's see if we covered all the questions of recent. Yeah, I think we're good there. And again, thanks for all the subscribers out there and the comments and everything. I'm trying to keep up with everything. Thank you so much. But if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's free. All of this is free. So far on YouTube, you get DLive going, Theta.tv, you can watch and stream for free and not have to deal with the YouTube AI algorithm stuff. Always fun to fight with AI. Don't really fight, just kind of learn to get along. Stake. Okay, if you have 10,000 Theta or more and would like to keep your Theta in your own wallet, please go to the Delegate tab. The Delegate tab is a little bit different. Per the Theta blockchain protocol, this is for users with 10K Theta or more. If you have less than 10,000, please go to the stake tab. Great. So what you would do here to delegate to these, if you have 10,000 or more, instead of running your own Guardian node, you would just piggyback on their Guardian node summary. So scan the QR code or copy this address. More information here on the GitHub about the delegation process, and I'll put a link in the description for this one as well to reference it. But I don't have 10,000. This is kind of a race to 10,000 Theta for a lot of folks out there. Like, you know, I was buying at 12 cents and 16 cents, and then Samsung made an announcement, and then blah blah blah. And it's like, just DCA. Let's keep it going. Let's see what I've got going in. So remaining time to get into this pool, this is Guardian number 1.42. Remaining time is 4 hours and 12 minutes. Theta going in this round is 52,350. So that's reflected there. I can either scan it or copy this address and then send the Theta over that way, and then it starts. And then when this timer comes down to 0, then it will start as a stake, and you'll be earning, I will be earning Tfuel, as you can see it clicking forward right there. So the payouts come here, and then they go through the transactions and onto the blockchain. So what I'm going to do is use my mobile app wallet that you can get at ThetaToken.org, and I'm going to send over my Theta. So what I'm going to do here is pause so I can get everything set up on my mobile, and we'll see how fast this goes. So BRB. So I'm logged into my mobile wallet, and I'm taping that on screen recording so I can show that here. But what I'm going to do is just through the send function is to scan the QR code and then send the Theta over there. I think I have 142.63. Send all those over and start the stake that way. And once that's started, we'll see how fast this goes and see how fast the Theta network is, and you'll love it. And we're back, and you see the 142.639 Theta is hit the Guardian node number, or Guardian number 1.42. So once this clock comes down to 0, that will start the stake for this. And if you look at my dashboard, I'm not sure, this will probably apply to Monday, I would think, and then that will even out. So I will have 2, 3, 4, 11, 1100, 271, and then 142.6. And I'll continue the race to 10,000. I'm just trying to get there. I'm not sure if I have 10,000, if I'd want to run a GN, a Guardian node, get on this cool page, all the Guardian nodes. These are, I guess you can name them or something, but as you can see, they're all learning. This is cool. This GuardianMonitor.io. Kind of wondering who this is. Is it Sony? Samsung's already there. Is it Apple? Is it Netflix? Is it 369 Crypto? Could be. Stay tuned here. Theta Report playlist is over here. Subscribe, ThetaToken.org to grab your wallet and set that up and get any more information. Guardian Monitor recovered. And Coinswitch, that was pretty cool. That was quick. Theta.tv. I don't have a channel over there yet. I'm trying to hashtag get a stream key, please. And then check out Nomics for more information. Hey, just while we're here, let's type in, see if they have Hex coin. Heard some rumors that this might be on a dip as well. Hex. Huh. Multi-chart. Little dip there. Hex. Yep, up 6% for the day. Anywho, thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a like and please subscribe if you have not. Comment, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Also, check out the Telegram for Theta and all the reference there for GPooL. And thanks for watching and listening. Appreciate it. Namaste.